What? This is on camera. Stop it.
So like one of the things we used to do is we used to write the things that we liked.
Yes.
Rather than writing for a specific market.
Got it. Mm-hmm.
And so it's like, do the things you like, but at the end of the day, why would you want to make a record that only you want to listen to?
Very true.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
So
the goal should be is how can you sing a song that somebody else wants to listen to?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like how can I express everyone else's feelings in this room?
Yes.
How can I make a song that's going to be relatable to everybody in this room?
Yeah.
So let me think of a topic that everybody goes through, that you felt today.
I think we could go up another half a step, to be honest
Yeah,
with
let's
you.
do it. I'm trapped in my mind, I'm my own worst enemy. It keeps getting harder to fight back this war within me. So I open my hand, it's out of my control. I give it over to you. So take this and make it whole. My brokenness is all yours. There's nothing you can't handle. So I confess, I need you more. Oh, I need you. Oh, I need you. Take every victory and open door. I can finally see that I need you more.
I like every part of this except for the guy who's smoking.
Have me. Was there something in between that you were gonna do before you cut it off, or what?
No, but
okay.
I can do something in the
Got
verse,
That's great. See, and that's got a percussive element to where if we wanted to pull the beat out, we could, because that'll kind of carry that. You can feel me on that, Josh?
Yep.
Can't help it, bro. Can't help it. I thought I behaved today. It's gonna be about a 5, no matter what. I live at that 5.
And it's more vibe.
Yeah.